Okay, so today for Friday, September 11th, I'll share a few of our slides with you guys. So today in reading, we learned about problem and solution in a story, and I can make these slides available to you so that you can access the story if you would like. But basically, we read the story together as a class. I need an eraser, and we determined what the problems and solutions were in the story. And here's the graphic organizer as well for that. And if again, you can have this available to you if you would like. For math, we watched a brain pop video on word on addition, and we solved a couple of word problems. This word problem will be on Seesaw. So I will assign this activity to the class on Seesaw. For writing, we talked about having pumpkin stories, meaning the big idea, and narrowing those big ideas down to seed stories. So basically, instead of writing about, if you were to write about your family, that's the big idea, that's the pumpkin story. But if you were to write a seed story, you would zoom in on one member of your family. So that would be your seed story. You wouldn't write about your whole family, you would just write about one person in your family. So we talked about that as well. In social studies, we continued to talk about landforms, but also September 11th. So there is a Brain Pop video on September 11th that you could watch as well. And then we continued to look at the continents and their names, as well as the oceans and their names. We also continued our discussion on landforms and the types of landforms that exist. So we were going to talk about deserts today as well in more detail. And there is a landform booklet on your Seesaw account as well that you can start working on. So that's basically the slides for today.